How to turn on the flashlight by shaking your Android phone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you want to know if you have this feature on your Android phone, just go on the setting of your phone and scroll down and down up until you see the option of accessibility. After seeing the option of accessibility, you need to see if this feature is available for you or not. So just tap on recommended for you so you can see what kind of features are there for you. So you just need to go on the settings and turn it on if you have the feature. Since I don't have the feature of shaking my phone and turn the flashlight on, it does not show me on any of the options right here. Even in the advanced option, if you have it, then it will be shown here. But since I don't have it, won't be shown. But if you have it, then you can simply go on this one option, and after you go there, you will see the option of flashlight. And when you enable it, you can simply open your flashlight by just shaking your phone, and there is no need for you to go on the notification bar and turn it on. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.